Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video we're going to teach you how to clean an area rug using a Rug Doctor carpet cleaning machine. Okay, this is a rental unit Rug Doctor, and you'll see there's all kinds of instructions on here to help you understand how to use it. But I know for many of you, the whole reason you're watching this YouTube video is so you don't have to read all this. So I'm going to take you through kind of the basics. This handle right here adjusts, this folds down, so you can carry it, put it in the back of the car. One of the things you're going to notice on these rental units is there's a master power switch right here, and this power switch needs to be on. The unit won't be on, but it's basically like a breaker that when you plug the unit in, if that's not on, the unit won't work. So just make sure that's on before you go ahead and plug it in. And you get that handle. This is adjustable depending on what you're going to do. This is really two basic things. It comes to setting this thing up before you're ready to do carpeting. First of all, you're going to choose whatever soap. Only use the Rug Doctor soap in here. Don't use any bleach, any dyes, or anything like that. It's a rental machine and you have to return it. This metal wire right here pops off, and then you kind of lift this little housing up. This is the dirty water tank. So after you're cleaning the carpet, all the dirty and nastiness that comes from the cleaning goes in this, and this is what you either dump down the drain or down the toilet. The clean water goes inside down here. Now you're going to follow the instructions on whatever kind of soap that you buy. Typically it's about a half a cup of cleaner per gallon of hot tap water. So we already pre-mixed that in here, and you go ahead and just pour it into that reservoir. And this holds just a little bit more than a gallon, but I would just use a gallon of water, and you'll see that as you fill it up, it kind of comes up over the top there and over the little filter area. And remember, the clean water goes in the bottom. This is the dirty water tank. And then you put it back inside, place that over the top, click it, plug the unit in, and then there's a button on the top here that says carpet or tool. Since we're going to be doing carpet, we're going to turn this carpet on. I'm going to show you once it's plugged in what happens. Using a Rug Doctor to clean an area rug is really sort of the same application how you would use it if you were going to be doing wall-to-wall carpeting. A couple things to consider. One is not all area rugs can be cleaned using a carpet machine, especially that applies a wet solution. So you have to ensure that the carpet that you're going to clean can actually be used by a machine like this, because you don't want to ruin the material. With an area rug, because it's just lying on the floor, you're probably going to need the help of someone or something heavy to place on the end of the rug, because when you place the Rug Doctor on there and you pull it across, unless someone's holding it there, you may pull the rug towards you. So you can just have someone stand there and place their toes on the end of the area rug, and then as you get a little bit further away, they can step away or whatever, and you draw that down so that you don't curl it up or damage the material whatsoever. I just did a section of this, but you're just going to work from one end to the other. Then you go ahead and turn the machine around and get the other side as well. Keep in mind that with an area rug, chances are you have an anti-slip mat underneath it. If you can pick that rug up, you might be surprised to find a lot of dust and dirt under the rug. You can just sort of vacuum that up and then put the pad down, and then your nice freshly cleaned area rug right over the top. Coming up next, my video on how to clean your sofa or couch using a Rug Doctor carpet cleaning machine.